So good morning, BNI. Hi, this is Romal Nagori, and I hope all of you are safe in these tough times of Corona. I'm from the BNI Regional Trainings team, and I'm also a member of BNI Anthropos chapter. And today we have a special guest with us. He is a 6-year young member who is going to share his journey of BNI with us. We have Mr. Vivek Goenka. So before he shares his journey, let me quickly introduce himself. Mr. Vivek is a director at Dempson Tech Private Limited. They are into the manufacturing and importing of lifestyle gadgets. He is married to Shelja and has two lovely daughters. And he is also passionate about sports and music. So welcome, Mr. Vivek, over here today with in this interview. So hi, how are you? How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm great. Good morning, BNI, and good morning, Google. It's
Good
great to
morning.
have you.
So I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm doing great. Absolutely great.
Okay, great, great. So now let us start the questions. So tell us, Vivek, what was going through your mind when you first stepped into a BNI meeting as a visitor?
Yeah, now if I go back 6 years down the line, I remember it was Thursday evening when I got a call from one of my best friends, Madhur Todi.
Okay,
Everybody knows him, and he just called me up at 7 in the evening and just within 1 minute, he just told me that you have to wake up tomorrow early. You have to get ready at 7 and 7:30. I'll see you at Novotel. Then, of course, my first reaction was that, wow, morning 7:30, that too informal. And he asked me to get a lot of visiting cards and all that. I took it as a absolutely surprise because waking early morning for sports activities was never an issue, but getting ready for a meeting and that too for networking was something which came to me as a surprise. So, but because I trust Madhu so much that I simply said, okay, I will be there. So next day morning, 7:30 sharp, I was there looking at all the people around, and there were more than I assume that I was very late at 7:30
okay.
because I saw more than 80 people in
Oh,
formals, and they were just chit chatting and there or there. There were a lot of things happening, and but I was welcomed in such a way that it never seems like that I am attending for the first time.
nice, nice.
I hardly know two or three people in that room.
Hmm.
So quite obvious when you are in such a big crowd of business owners, you're a little nervous once you
Yes.
enter that room. But okay, I got settled because I was so warmly welcomed by the team that it went very smoothly. So I just sit there, attended all the meeting, and of course we then that was the first interaction with our storyteller, Mr.
Yes.
Yash, and interaction with Nitish. So that was something which I found really. It was my first meeting, but it doesn't seem like that I was attending for the first time.
Okay. And let me ask you a question. Did you decided to join the meeting as soon as the meeting got over? Did you decided to join BNI or you took some time?
No. I actually decided in between the meeting only
Okay.
that this is something interesting. This is something which I have never done before.
Hmm.
That was when I was almost 15 years in my own business, but still that platform was something very. I found it very unique that I should join and just explore because I used to explore a lot of things. So when we talk about
Yes.
business, then definitely there's
Hmm.
never a harm to explore anything when it is related to your growth
Yes.
as professionally.
Superb. Great. So you have been a part of BNI since 6 years now. So tell us, how have you evolved in yourself? What changes have you seen in yourself throughout these years with BNI?
See, practically it has changed me entirely. Like I can't say that I have changed 10% or 20%. If I have to rank myself, then it is more than 80% that I have changed.
Oh,
And the
great.
best part, the most important thing which I found in myself right now is that I'm now more structured. Whatever I do
Hmm.
it very structurally, whether it is personally or it is professionally.
Ye-
So that is the biggest change I have seen. And of course, when people see you as after 2 years down the line when people see you as a leader, like they see you as somebody they wants to follow, then it becomes something very different thing. Then it is something which you don't have any other option but to make yourself presentable in such a way
Yes.
that there are a lot of people watching,
Hmm.
which never used to happen earlier.
Yes. True.
Then everything was okay. Chalta hai,
ठीक
hota
है,
hai. But
चलता
right
है.
now the
Yes.
situation becomes like, no, now this is not acceptable. Now you need a change. You need to change yourself in such a manner that now you are visible to more than 200 people who are watching you. So
Yes,
that
and
is the biggest change I found.
rule suggests visibility leads to credibility and it leads to
Absolutely,
profitability.
absolutely.
And plus, one more thing I've seen a change in you is you have lost quite a lot of weight. I've seen your picture 5 years before and recent picture. You have lost a lot of weight also.
Yeah, see, this is again something which is very important for your confidence. See, no matter how good you are doing in your business, but there are certain things which build your inner confidence. And I think health is the only thing, because I have been sports fanatic for years. Like I have never seen 6:15 in my clock in the morning. I used to wake up at 5:45.
Oh,
But the only thing which was lacking in last 10 years was that I was not that conscious about my health. So now, as everything is on track, then I found that let us do some work on my health also,
true.
because that again builds something. When you look yourself into mirror, then that is something which you want to see. How you want to see yourself is what I'm just working on it.
True, superb. I think there should be some correlation between joining BNI and losing weight, because I've seen a lot of members losing their weight over the period of time. I myself have lost a lot of weight. So tell us, in your introduction, you have said that you have been a part of VP. You have been a VP. You have been a part of support team, and plus you have been involved with a lot of sports activities with BNI. So technically, your involvement in BNI is very high. So how does your wife react to it?
See, initially she wanted me to join an organization where I can meet a lot of people.
Okay.
That was initial thought. But the moment I was dragged into, or maybe I voluntarily, I'm sorry, I use the word drag, but initially it seems like, but no, it was not like that. I voluntarily joined in regional team, and the moment you enter into regional team, there are a lot of activities you have to do. There are a lot of things which you need to, because now that responsibility comes to you as that you want to grow this thing, because somebody has introduced me. So now it is a payback time when you are on a regional team. That okay, let us grow this organization, let us grow the strength of the members, because at that time 100 and now we are more than 1800 members. So that was the period where there was little bit imbalance, where I found that whenever I used to go home and talk, I have to say that tomorrow again is my meeting, or day after tomorrow again I have to go somewhere. So that will happen.
Yes.
But the only thing it that my wife, she never complained about that she has some problem with BNI. Only complaint with most of the people are having when they are not balancing both the things.
True.
If I'm not balancing my thing, if I'm entirely working for BNI and I'm not supposed to, or I'm not doing the work which I have to do for my family, then anything, except if I'm not a BNI member, if I'm somewhere else, then the same thing will happen. So it is a misconception that BNI is taking away something, or the wives are not very happy with joining BNI. They are only not happy that we are not balancing it. So that I have managed in last 1.5 years. That also I think I'm now, that is one of the additional change I have seen, that I am now balancing both the things well.
Superb. Good to hear this thing. And I think all the spouses of the members should definitely see this video, because they will then tend to understand what is lacking in their spouses. So tell us, was there a time where you decided to quit BNI?
To be very frank, I have still not found any reason to do that, because every stage I'm moving in, every stage I'm walking through, when I see now it has been it is proud to see the badge which is having a 6 years old member thing written on there.
Hmm.
So as I'm progressing, more than I'm not focusing on that there should be any reason to leave BNI. In fact, every day I just find something interesting, or I try to find something which gives me more into it.
Hmm.
Because after all, we are into a networking platform. This is not an entertainment practically. See, fun and entertainment, these both are different things.
Hmm.
Entertainment, BNI is not for entertainment right now. Definitely we can have fun.
Hmm.
Why I'm saying fun? Because once you grow professionally, and if you are having fun with it,
Then you
then this is something which is at different level.
Hmm.
So I have never found myself. Definitely. Then there are a lot of fellow members who are very close to us. When they leave, then definitely at that point we get a little emotional.
Hmm.
That why it is happening, why we try to find the reasons why they are leaving, or maybe something which we can't see and they are seeing it better. So those questions definitely arises when we saw people leaving the organization. But that I have never convinced with the answers I've got that I should give the same reasons for leaving BNI.
Hmm.
So it is more of a thing that I want to grow and grow and grow every day and every year, and that is what I'm aiming at. So there is no point right now. Even I don't talk with anyone if somebody says कि यार let us do something else or बहुत हो गया ये या there are those kind of words. That is not for me right now.
True. Superb. Great. So now we come to the most interesting part of this interview. I'm going to ask you rapid fire questions and you have to answer them very quickly. So are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Do you need
Go ahead.
any trial question?
No. If
ठीक
it is a rapid fire, it's okay.
ठीक है, let's go ahead. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say BNI?
Business,
Atlas.
growth,
Akshay Setia.
a true buddy.
Okay. So Sicilian Games or Symposium?
For me, Sicilian Games, then Symposium.
Okay. Which one was more difficult? Being the VP of Atlas or leading the cricket team of Atlas?
Leading the cricket team.
Okay, that was interesting. uh, then what would be the one sentence of advice you would like to give to the newer members?
Just get into BNI, just get into the bunch of people you see once you enter that meeting room, and don't stop exploring.
Okay.
The more you explore, the more you will find some value out of it. The more you have to keep on exploring every day, every meeting, whenever you are entering that room.
Hmm.
That is the biggest advice I can give.
Okay. And I've seen you participating in a lot of games in Sicilian Games. So you have to rank the following sports activities in order of your preference: golf, cricket, badminton, volleyball, and table tennis.
Well, badminton,
Badminton,
cricket,
cricket,
golf,
golf,
volleyball,
volleyball,
and then table tennis.
table tennis. Okay. I thought golf would be the first one in order of your preference.
No, because now they have taken out it from the
Okay.
sport, so I've ranked it number 3.
Okay. And the last question is, which one was the most difficult post for you in BNI?
As a support director, of course,
Okay.
because there are lot of things you have to manage, and only those people who are in support team can understand that wearing two hats together is something which is very challenging.
Yes.
But I did it. I'm
Super.
somewhere in myself, I'm proud of it that I did it well.
Superb. Great. So thank you, Mr. Vivek Goenka. The questions were very tough, but you were quite creative and interesting in your answers. So with this, we come to the end of the rapid fire round. And with this, we also come to the end of this video. So thank you, Mr. Vivek, for being with us today, this morning, and sharing your journey with BNI with us. And before we sign it off, so for the audience, we have a small secret for all of you. Keep looking for this space because there are a lot of such exciting stories which are coming up on your way. My name is Rumel Nagori, and we have Mr. Vivek Goenka today with us, and we are signing it off. Tada, bye bye.
Thank you so much.